Welcome to Harper's House. Today we're going to look at the gift son from
The Among Us
the Among Us
gift set
gift set
from Amazon.
from Amazon.
Oh my goodness, let's see what's in there. What? How'd that get in there?
Whoa! What?
How'd you get these little dudes in there? Wow.
Snuck 'em in.
What?
What
Those
the
actually
what?
didn't come with the set.
Yes, those are her homemade
Snuck
things.
'em in. What is
Oh,
that?
what do we got
Show
there?
'em. What is it?
What? Stickers. That's a lot too.
Among Us.
It's a backpack.
That's right. It's
drawstring
telling me
bag.
it's going like this. Shh.
Yeah.
That's what they're going to be telling you in school a lot. The teacher. Shh. What's that? What is this? A lanyard?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
open the things up if she goes.
Oh, it's an imposter pin. You gotta be careful. That's sharp.
Your stickers.
What? Look at all those stickers. Oh no, maybe they have that one
What?
that you always show me. It's on the fridge.
Sausage.
Yeah, sausage.
Wow.
Look at 'em all.
That's a lot of stickers.
That is. Oh, look at Chef Daddy. The imposter.
Yeah, you got a nice lanyard.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look, so you can put it
Ooh.
right around your neck.
Bling bling, cha ching ching.
There you go. Very cool. And then the button.
Look.
That one's cute. He's yellow, huh?
Whoa.
Whoa, no! It's a Venom one.
I need it. I need that.
That's
too.
mine.
Mine.
It's mine. Can't I have it?
Mine.
What else is in there? You still have to take everything else out.
As much as she's obsessed with imposters, this is her favorite one right here.
So what else is in here? There's more.
Venom sticker.
That's all she needs.
Well, look. What else?
Oh, let's
we got?
show everybody else what you got.
A little coin purse.
All kinds of Aussie stickers. Ooh, this one looks pretty cool.
There's a little coin bag.
Whoa, you can put your money.
Yeah.
We can take that to the mall when
And
we
a
go.
little purse.
A purse?
A purse.
Oh no. Got a first purse. That's a mask, yep.
Yeah. Look at this little purse. It's
Okay,
cute.
look.
Look, we can put our money in there.
Wow, that's so neat. So it's, I am an
Oh,
imposter.
there's still more, Harper.
I'm going to hang this in my room.
Oh, okay.
Two
Mom and I will
keychains.
finish these. Go ahead and take these out now
Alright.
so we can see.
Well, here's the backpack. I don't know if you got close up on that after it's out of the bag. The drawstring bag.
Well, I don't know if she could use that for school, but she'll
There's
lose
the
it like Caleb did.
mask. The bracelet.
Ooh, that's pretty nice. Look at this.
Yes.
Oh, she's
Hear her
cracking
laughing.
up upstairs.
And what else we got? We got a keychain.
Ooh, look at that.
It's cute.
Cute.
Like
With that, oh,
another
and he has the half the body. The
Oh,
half the
yeah,
body
he
one. Right there.
does. Yeah, they have that on there too. That's too funny.
That's her favorite part.
Yeah, they have it on here too with the half of the body. And the...
Oh my goodness.
That's
Are there any more
hilarious.
imposter ones or the
The Venom?
Venom ones?
I don't know. There's a...
Ooh.
Oh, look at this one. This is gonna be her favorite too.
Oh no.
Oh, look at they got a Goofy
Right.
one.
Look at that one.
Cool.
That's a Audrey one.
Oh, look at they got Mickey Mouse too. They got all kinds of cool stickers. in here.
This one's fun.
And then here's.
Darth Vader.
What is
Thanks for watching Harper's Playhouse.
What is this?
It says just walking. He's just walking. That's all he's doing. That's all he's doing. It says just walking.
Say thank you for watching. What do you give it? You give it 5 stars?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's really nice, huh?
Mims.
There are a whole bunch among us.
Ooh, look at that. That's pretty neat. And this one says Sabotage by the Beastie Boys. Sabotage. Did you see your bracelet?
Yeah, you got a bracelet.
And then check these out. Your
You
keychains.
put it on your wrist.
Your keychains have the half the body dudes. Look with the bone.
Here you go. Let me help you.
Look, well, Mom's doing that. The half the body with the bone.
Wow, look at your bracelet. Show Daddy. Bling bling.
Woo! That's sweet.
Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. You say now you got your own jewelry, so you don't have to take Caleb's.
Okay, what do you guys say?
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
What is this?
That one is the Among Us Firebird.
What is this?
Just walking, man. It's just walking.
What?
He's
It
big.
says just walking. That's
What?
the lob
He's
runner.
a chubby one.
This is mine, okay?
Is it?
This one.
Is it?
Is it?
This thing?
Can I-
Daddy gets that one.
Can I have that one?
No.
What? I'm gonna eat you.